Today's your lucky day. Today's the day you can finally cancel your Adobe subscription. With the help of this brand new course, you'll be able to say goodbye to Adobe once and for all. I love Affinity Photo, but it's missing two critical features for photographers. It doesn't let you edit more than one raw photo at a time, and it doesn't let you organize your photos. For that, you need another tool, like Lightroom. Unfortunately, Adobe only lets you rent Lightroom for $10 a month. That's why I use a program called Darktable. Darktable isn't an Affinity product, but if your goal is to get away from Adobe, it's a great app to use. It does everything that Lightroom can do, and it's 100% free. With Darktable, you can organize thousands of photos and batch edit raw images, allowing you to edit entire photo shoots in minutes. It took me a few months to get comfortable using Darktable. If any of you have ever tried to learn how to use Darktable, then you know the tutorials on YouTube can be pretty technical. That's why I've made this course and broken down the steps that you need to know to use Darktable so that it's nice and simple, and so that you can cancel your Adobe subscription as soon as possible. But wait, there's more! In this course, I want to show you more than just how to use Darktable. I want to show you my favorite techniques for editing faster inside of Affinity Photo. In this course, we'll go over good shortcuts to know, my workflow for editing photos, and how to create professional macros. Macros make editing your photos so simple. With the click of a button, you can apply beautiful filters and effects to your photos. In this course, we'll make macros for whitening teeth, enhancing eyes, dodging and burning, and tons of other fun effects. This course will teach you everything you need to create any macro you can imagine. I'm so excited to share this course with you. Enroll today, and I'll see you in the course.